Okay, let's look at it just a second. It looks pretty good, and I'm glad you had fun and learned a bunch of stuff. It's a hard class. Doing all the game art in 3 classes is impossible, frankly. So I've tried to cut the chess down to the hardest thing, pretty much, and most useful thing you can do. So that's why we do that. A couple things. It looks good. It's too symmetrical for me. All right. So, for example, when you go right here and it goes up, maybe you see right there. Let's go that. Maybe we can stay. We can cut that one a little bit. All right. Bring it here. Let's say paste it there. Okay. See, so it's a little offsetted. You know what I'm saying? Like that, a little bit more. Okay, so it's not the same. All right, and when it goes up right here, for example, you can it's at the end. You can bring it up a little bit more like that too if you want to. Alright, and change a couple things like that. Same for the arms and legs. Arms, basically. It's important that you understand that you want to not have things too symmetrical. So that's why you want to kind of offset a little bit and not be so symmetrical. It looks too computerized. Okay, so that's one of the thing. More head motion too. Also, you know. So you're right here and go down more with the head. I would go down a little bit more with the head actually right here. Oh yeah, that was hard for you to do that. Then in that case, you should have done it on the. If that doesn't work, so you key it right here. You go right there and you just do it on the bone. Alright. And then when it's up at its top right here, you bring it look up. Alright. See? Bing. See, it looks. And of course, after that, you bring it back down by copying that. Right here, for example, when it lands, and then you copy that key at the end right there. So you get a little bit more motion on the head. You know what I'm saying? See, look, bang, bang. Alright? So this is just that, okay? You're on your way. You've done a lot of progress. I can see that. You're starting to have fun with it. Keep it up. Okay, again, class is over, but I'm still a professor at ASU. You're still an ASU students and all alumni. You need to work more. It is not enough. Okay, 3 classes like that is not enough. So, hey, keep working at that, modeling, texturing, animation. You got my email, arnaud.egner@asu.edu, and just send me your work, Tiffany. Alright, I'll be glad to help you and tell you what I think about it. And so, okay? Thank you very much. Have a good day.